How's it going, everybody? Well, let's take a look at what I've been doing with the bikes. Just a little update. Here's the beta still on its side, but it's all done. I just have to pick it up. Do need to change the oil, but I made a Kydex clutch cover today. Vacuum formed it, then fine-tuned it with the heat gun, just pushing, and then trimmed it. And trimming it, what I do, because I just find it interesting to let you know, I use a cutoff wheel on my air compressor here, and then I go over here to the bench grinder and turn on, and I need a new wheel. That wheel is probably 50 years old because this was my grandfather's, but it works great. Takes down the Kydex. You can see all the dust. It is a dusty process. And anyways, that's how I get it fine-tuned. And that's the end result right there. This is the Modus skid plate. They're made out of Turkey. It showed up. It works great. I actually paid full price for that. What else I got? I got a new 525 rear tire on, put that on yesterday. I transferred over the CST tire from the GPX bike over to the Beta so I can burn it up. It's not a dot tire. That's why I went ahead and put it on the Beta. Went ahead and put the Tusk tire here. This is like, I think, the Adventure 990/90/21 Dual Sport Adventure. So I put this on. That's what's going to go on here on the rental bikes because, well, it's a dot tire. And then for the rear, I have the Trackmaster to still put on. And then I'll probably burn up the CST rear tires on the Beta at a later date. That's what's going on. This is the 300. As you can see, I have the highway dirt bike guards installed here with the dual mirrors. One there, one there. Looks pretty good. Works really well on this bike. I still need to install it over here, the highway dirt bike guards. And this is, of course, the 450R. So still have to do quite a bit over there. Have to do quite a bit here. I made the Kydex skid plate for the 300R here. Works really good. I drilled out for the sight glass, so you still have the sight glass. And that's just a good way to go about it. Some people say, why didn't you buy the OTOM? And I could have. You have to wait forever, like 3 months. I'm trying to get a bulk order of those in. But really, the Kydex, if you have some time and just want to play around, I mean, it costs like maybe $1 for a 12x12 sheet. And, you know, I bought a box of different thicknesses. Spent like $35, I think, $40, and the real thin stuff isn't going to really do anything. Real thick is just going to be ungodly thick. That's kind of like what I did initially. This is the real thick stuff up here, and that's what I used on the TSE 250R, and it's just way too thick. And then this is that high density stuff you can use for skid plates. That's what I made the skid plate out of before. I figured I'd bring you a bike update and show you, how the bikes are doing, and that's what's up. They're supposed to send me the MSOs. I contacted them. They got lost in the mail. So they're sending me new printings of the MSOs, and these bikes will be getting plated here shortly, hopefully in the next couple weeks. And then, obviously, then I can rent them. So then I'll go ahead and make that page and stuff and put them out there. Renting is seasonal, so I don't know what I'm going to initially charge. I might do like a early bird special because I'm getting into this, just to get some feedback, some reviews, and see how it goes. I might do something pretty reasonable. We'll see. I'm in the Colorado Springs area, so take that into account if you're looking to try a GPX 450R or the 300R 4-strokes. Anyways, hopefully you all take care and enjoyed this video, this update. Have a good one. Stay well, stay safe, my friends. Get out there and ride. Have a good one. Bye.